All right. So we'll go through the auto programming. All right, we're going to get some technical support here from the head honcho. Hey, I'm making my commitment to unplug. And yeah, to unplug. I want to unplug. No, so I went out there and I tried everything from the setup. There's not really a feature that says, you know, you turn cable off. I stuck a paper clip in there and some foil. Is that enough? I live in Switzerland on the Shunga, up Fair Lawn and 28th Street. Yeah, do you know where like Herman's Meat Market is there, 29th and Fair Lawn? I'm just north on the Shunga there. All right, so I'll go down and get some rabbit ears. Well, this is outside on my back porch. Oh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, it said auto programming. Well, no, I've done it 3 times. Yeah. Well, there's no air selection. I just turn cable off. Well, yeah, I can. Here, let me just. I got a 100-foot cord. You there? All right, hang on. Yeah, I see my screen. Hey, hang on a second here. I left the remote in there. Hang on, I'll be right back. Oh, there it is. No, there it is. There it is. Okay. Okay, menu. Right. Video, audio, channel, parent, timer. It says favorite channel, cable, channel fix. Okay, where it says, well, it doesn't say source. Okay, it says favorite channel, cable, channel fix, auto program, channel skip add, channel label. Well, left to right. Okay, it seems like the only other option is to turn it on or off. I got video, audio, channel, parent, timer, setup, basic. Yeah, and it's favorite channel, cable, channel fix, auto program, channel skip add, channel label. Video, audio, parent, timer, setup, basic. Setup. There's caption vision, video label, tilt correction, language, demo. Man, if you had the social media periscope, you could tune in and you'd see exactly what the fuck I'm looking at. Okay, back to channels. Favorite channel. Cable, and it says off. No, it just goes out to, the right arrow takes it out to on and off. To Sony. Man, I'm getting technical support from the owner of the goddamn company. Does it get better than that? You're actually looking at a online on a manual? Okay. Yeah, hang on just a second. You with me? Okay, here. Setup. There's caption vision, video label, tilt correction, language, English, demo. Okay. Favorite channel. Cable off. It takes me off to the right and it on off. Okay. Channel fix. Favorite channel. Cable off. Channel fix. And it says off. Fix. Auto program. Channel skip / add. Channel label. And then it says fix TV to channel or input. Clear at the bottom. Well, no, I'm sorry. That's just, I'm sorry. After channel label, it's it's off. But I was just reading down there the notes when it's on channel fix. It says fix TV to channel or input. Right. Yeah, I've scanned this like 3-4 times. It's a Trinitron. No, it gets digital cable. I don't know how old this TV is. You want me to like look at the back? Okay, hang on just a second. I got to put the phone down. It's a heavy motherfucker. Okay, are you with me? Model number KV/36F2, no, KV/36FS12. It says June 2000. Okay? It's one of the big old heavy Okay, so what I'll do now, I got it. The TV that I was going to give away downstairs, my big free TV that nobody took, I'll move that out here. You know, I'll move that out here and then just get rid of this one. Now the one downstairs is, it's like 5 years old. 6 years old. Okay. It just wasn't there. Okay, I got it. All right, well, see, it's interesting we're going through all this because this is what people are going to go through. You know, some farmer's going to have this out there and he's going to wonder why in the hell, hey, how come I'm not getting that free TV those guys were talking about? I remember that. Well, see, we ought to have a website. We ought to have a website that sells these things. Hey, just go to our site. You can buy the digital box. All right. All right. Okay, thanks. All right, bye. Okay, so the opportunity now lies in selling those digital boxes. Why not? I'd rather put $50 into fixing this old thing. It's going to cost me $80 to have Mike come over and move the TV upstairs, the one, and it may or may not work too. What do you say, Wilson? He's just not that into TV. This has been another unauthorized broadcast from Henry McClure.